Assalamualaikum viewers. Now today I am going to deliver a lecture about quadratic equation. So first of all, if you think the students who think that math is difficult subject, so honestly math is not difficult subject. It's very easy. Just you need to do is a lot of practice. As you know, practice makes a man perfect. So students, just do practice. This subject needs a lot of practice and you can easily get full marks in this subject. It's very easy and interesting subject. So now come to the topic. Here I have book of class 10th and the topic is quadratic equations. Okay. Now first of all I will tell you what is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is an equation of second degree. Okay, second degree in which there is a variable of over 2, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and a, b, c are real numbers. Okay, so this form is standard form. Okay, when we have ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, this form is standard form. Okay, now here a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and constant term is c. Okay, now if b is 0, then we call this equation a pure equation. Okay, pure quadratic equation. And if a is equal to 0, then this equation is called linear equation. Okay, now I am going to tell you one thing, that if you are going to do practice of exams, you have to read every page before exercise. Okay, because anything can come in MCQs. And can you see this activity? These activities are also important. Okay, again here activity. Okay, you have to do practice of these activities also, do practice of examples. Anything can come in exam, don't leave anything. Okay, now first of all I will explain you and do this one also, remember that. Okay, now here I am going to explain you first activities. As you know, what is pure equation? When b is equal to 0, okay, then that equation is called pure quadratic equation. Can you see examples here? X square minus 16 is equal to 0 and 4x square is equal to 7 are the pure quadratic. Okay, now what they are asking, write two pure quadratic equations. Okay, now here let's come to the solution of this. Can you see this activity? First activity, first we will do this one. Write two pure quadratic equations. Okay, now can you see here 2x square is equal to minus 2. This one is pure quadratic equation. 4x square plus 7 is equal to 0. This one is also pure quadratic equation because there is no term of with coefficient b. Okay, now come to the second activity. Here what can you see? X square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, factorization is very easy. Can you see? A is the coefficient of this variable, okay, of this one. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1. Can you see this sign? Be careful about signs. Okay, this is minus, so coefficient of b is minus 1 and coefficient of C is constant, so C is equal to -2. Okay. Now first step to do factorization is you have to multiply coefficient of A and constant term C. Okay, so here A is equal to 1, B is equal to -2, so when we will multiply we get -2. Okay, now see here what you have to do. You have to make factors of this one. Okay, can you see what are the factors? 1 multiplied by 2 and 2 multiplied by 1. We can get only 2 pair of factors. Okay, now you have to do middle term breaking. You have to select such factor from which when you will multiply you will get this, and when you will add them you will get this middle term. Okay, जब हम इसको ब्रेक करेंगे तो हमें मिडल टर्म मिलनी चाहिए. ओके, जब हम इनको ऐड करेंगे. ओके, नाउ कम हियर दिस स्टेप. x square, can you see this minus here? Okay, so we need minus with this term. Okay, how you will get minus with this term? When you will select this pair, can you see 2 is greater? Okay, so you have to add minus with this 2. Okay, so then when you will add them you will get minus here. Can you see minus 2x plus x? This called is middle term breaking. Okay, and then you have -2. Now you will take this x as common here. You will remain with x -2. Now again here this plus 1 and this x -2 you will take here. Now this x -2 is common here. You will first write x -2, then what is left? X plus 1. You will write x plus 1 here is equal to 0. Now can you see this one? These both are equal to 0. Okay, so first you will write x -2 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. So from here you will get, when you will move this -2 to this side, this sign will change and it will become positive. So you have x is equal to 2. Okay, and here when you will move this to this side it will become minus and you will get x equals to -1. Now as x is equal to 2, -1 are the solutions of the given equation. Okay, these are the solution, and in the end you have to write it as solution set. Okay, the solution set is this. Okay, this is your final answer. Now come to the exercise. Here we have exercise 1.1. Write the following quadratic equation in the standard form and point out pure quadratic equation. Okay, now they are saying that write the following quadratic equation in the standard form. Okay, can you see this one? This one is standard form. Okay, this one is standard form. So here it was already in standard form, so that's why we didn't do anything with this. Okay, now if you see this one, 2x square is equal to -2. This one is not in standard form. Okay, so if you have equation like this, so for that you have to first step to convert this into standard form. Okay, now see here is your first part of exercise, question number 1, first part. Okay, here you have x plus 7, x minus 3 is equal to -7. Now here we will start the solution. What you have to do, you have to take first term of this and multiply with this, and then plus 7 and multiply with this. Now you will multiply this with inside bracket Here you will get x square minus 3x plus 7x minus 7 multiplied by 3 is equal to 21. So you will write 21 here is equal to minus 7. Okay. Now you have to do addition and subtraction of like terms. Like terms means which have same variable. Can you see this? Minus 3x plus 7x. So here you will do plus minus, but you will put sign of bigger number. Okay, can you see this 7? Here it is plus, so you will write sign here plus, and in here you will do subtraction. Okay, now see here, can you do this? When you will subtract them, you will get 4, and this plus sign will come here, and this minus 21 will remain here as it is, and you have to bring this 7 on this side as you need standard form. So that's why you will bring this 7 to this side, minus 7, and this sign will change and it will become plus 7. Okay. Now you have x square plus 4x minus 14. Plus minus means you have to do subtraction, and then when you will subtract it, you will get 14, but the bigger number is minus, so you will get minus sign here, and this one is your non-standard form. Okay. Now come to second part. Here you have x square plus 4 divided by 3 minus x divided by 7 is equal to 1. Now come to the solution. First step, you have to take LCM of these two. Okay, now what will be the LCM? We will multiply these two numbers, we will get 21. 7 multiplied with 3 is equal to 21. This 21. Now you will multiply this with LCM, this whole fraction with LCM. When you will multiply this whole fraction with LCM, you will get this. Okay. If you think you can't do this step orally, you can write it in the rough work and do it like this. Now do it. X square plus 4 divided by 3, and we have to multiply it with LCM. Okay, so 3 1 is 3 and 3 7 is 21, and then you will multiply this 7 with this. Can you see this? This is how you will get this. Okay, now in the same way, when you will do this step with this fraction, you will get this 3x, okay, is equal to 1. Now in next step, you have to bring this 21 here. Okay, it will multiply here this. Now can you see this? This you will get this step. After this, when you will move this to 21 here, you will get this step. Okay, you have to multiply it here. Now can you see, in next step you have to multiply it with this 7x square plus 7 multiplied by 4 is 28 minus 3x, and you will again bring this 21 to this side as you have to make it standard form. Now look at this, you will get this 7x square plus 28 minus 3x minus 21 is equal to 0. Now you have to add the like terms. Now here you have only constant, so plus minus means you have to do subtraction, and when you will do subtraction you will get 7, and this plus sign will come here because 28 is bigger than this and it has plus sign. So this is your standard form. Now come to this question. X over x plus 1 plus x plus 1 over x is equal to 6. Again in this you have to take a LCM of this. Okay, what will be the LCM? LCM is this. Okay. LCM is this. In the same way, like I have told you before, that you have to multiply each fraction with LCM. Okay, Now you have to multiply this with LCM to get this. Let me do it for you. X over x plus 1. What is LCM here? X and x plus 1. Now you will cut this, and when you will multiply this x with x, you will get this x square. And in the same way, when you will multiply this fraction with LCM, you will get this x plus 1 whole square. Okay, now as you know the formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now you will open it like this according to this formula: x square plus a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, now you have to bring this to this side. Now you have to bring this to this side and it will multiply here as it is dividing here. Okay, now you will get x square plus, remove this bracket. Now x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 6x square bracket x square plus x. In the second step, you will multiply this 6 with both these terms inside. Now look at this, you will get this. Now you have to bring these two terms to this side to make it standard. Okay, now here it is plus, it will become minus to this side, and it will also become minus to this side. Now what you have, 6x square plus 6x minus 2x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. You have to do addition or subtraction of these two and these two like terms. Okay, now what you have here, this it is plus here, plus minus, you have to do subtraction, and 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, and plus sign will come as 6 is greater than this 2, plus 4x square. Now here you will get 6x minus 2x, again same thing, 6 minus 2 you will get 4, this plus sign will come here, and this minus 1 will come as it is equal to 0, and here is your answer. This one is standard form. Now come to fourth part. These questions are very easy, only you have to take LCM and you have to do simplification. Okay, now in this again look here, you have x plus 4 over x minus 2 minus x minus 2 over x plus 4 is equal to 0. You have to take LCM of these two. LCM is this one. Now according to same process, you have to multiply each fraction with this LCM. So when you will multiply this with LCM, you will get this. When you will multiply this fraction with LCM, you will get this x minus 2 whole square, and when you will multiply this with LCM, you will get this. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to just open it, multiply this with inside terms, x square plus 4x, this minus sign will come. Be careful about signs. Okay, अगर आपने स्टार्ट में एक भी गलती कर दी साइन की, तो फिर आगे आपका पूरा क्वेश्चन गलत हो जाएगा. So be careful about signs. Okay, now can you see here, it is x minus 2 whole square. Okay, if you know what you have formula, a minus b whole square, what you will get, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so according to this formula, you have to open it, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now you have plus 4x square minus 2x. When you will multiply this x inside, is equal to, bring this to this side as it is dividing here, it will multiply here on this side. Okay. When you will multiply this with 0, this full term will get 0. Now you are left with this x square plus 4x minus, in bracket you have to solve this one first, x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 4x square. You multiply this 4 with inside terms, 4x square minus 4 into 2, 8x. Okay, now you have to do cutting and solution. In the end you will get this 4x square minus 4 is equal to 0. Multiply this 4 with x square minus 1. You have to take 4 as common here. When you will take common, you will get x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Now you are left with x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Now can you see here you don't have the term with coefficient b. Can you see it is x square and it is constant. There is no term with coefficient b, so this one is pure quadratic equation. Okay, now in the same way you have to do this part. You can see it here, solution is in front of you. You have to take LCM and you have to do solution of this, and in this one again you will get pure quadratic equation. X square minus 20 is equal to 0. In this again you don't have term with coefficient b. Okay, now this one is pure quadratic equation. Now come to this part. This is last part of this question, and this is also very easy. It's lengthy but it's very easy. Okay, just do practice. Can you see it? Here you have x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 plus x plus 2 divided by x plus 3 is equal to 25 divided by 12. First step you have to do, take LCM of these two and multiply these both fractions with LCM. When you will multiply this with LCM you will get this, and when you will multiply this fraction with LCM you will get this, is equal to 25 over 12 will remain same. First solve this one. Okay, now you have to multiply first x with this bracket and then 1 with this bracket and open it according to the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now do simplification for this, and here you also have to do simplification in the LCM part. Can you see this? X, first x with this bracket and then 2 with this bracket. Now this one you have to do simplification here. Now after that you have to multiply this with this and this one with this, I mean cross multiplication. Okay, now look here, you have to multiply this 12 with this full equation and this 25 with this equation, and you have to do simplification, and when you will do simplification in the end you will get x square plus 29x plus 66 is equal to 0, and this one is standard form because you have this term with coefficient b, so this one is standard form. Okay, now if you get any difficulty you can ask in the comment box, and please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe it for more videos. Press the like button and bell icon also, so that you can get notification for further videos.